What's up? I'm back. To my 4 viewers, you're probably not expecting me to post today, but we're doing another popcorn review.
Oh shit!
Reason I haven't been posting as much is because, or making popcorn reviews mainly, is because I recently was sick with the flu, so that sucked. I'm fine now. Really, the only thing I have to do is I have to take like 2 ibuprofen every morning, and that's it. But that I'll tell you my experience with the flu in probably a different video. But yeah, today I'm gonna be reviewing Kroger Microwave popcorn. Thing is, I've already had this before, so it's kind of not gonna be like, I don't know, like it's not gonna be like a raw review, but it's still gonna be a review, and I can tell you already, it's gonna be probably higher than my review of the Orville Redemption's popcorn, probably, and most definitely the Act 2 popcorn, because that just wasn't movie theater butter at all. So yeah, but yeah, this is gonna be popcorn review too, and I'll meet you guys upstairs so we can review this thing. Okay. I have obviously Top Gear on as usual. This time I moved it not right across the speaker so you guys can hear me better. And here we go. What is it called? Oh my god, Kroger Microwave popcorn.
Racing driver, that's what we got down here. Thanks very much for coming. No problem. Was it your idea, or did Frank order you to come down?
No, I thought it was a good idea.
You did?
Yeah, it's pretty impressive you got the curry today as well. That's good.
I don't think it's a real one. I think it's one of those fake ones that businessmen buy to put in their offices when you're finished with it, isn't it?
I think you're right, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you'd win money. Probably faster than your one this year.
Oi.
Already tastes better than the
season.
It's been tough.
Act 2 for sure.
Clearly the taste is fast at the front, and Williams is a winning team. We want to get back up there as fast as we can. The factory, they're burying themselves to get back up there, but at the moment we're not there.
Do you ever get fed up with the amount of business involved in it? You know, you have to turn up looking like a business card. I'm looking at them like that. Have you got pyjamas all with RBS? Yeah. HP Invent and...
Better than wearing what you've got on, anyway.
I won't judge it too fast, but it'll most likely be better than Orville.
Anyway, listen. This lap.
Yeah. I actually don't have any more new popcorns downstairs.
Damon's lap was in the dry, is that right?
Oh, here we go.
Alright, popcorn brands downstairs.
Here we go.
No,
but at work, I can probably grab some tomorrow and
back out there. But I think it went fantastic.
have some ready for next week.
Really? Because you are a bit of a specialist on the old one lap business.
Nah, well, it's I really enjoyed it.
Because I kind of want to
the track is
catch up.
Pretty tricky in places, and I thought the car was not a handful. But
it's 106 brake horsepower.
I know, a lot of aquaplaning, all over the place on straight lines. So.
Well, shall we have a look?
Yeah.
Shall we have a look at this lap? Here we go.
First time I've seen it. Plenty of well spin.
But
here we go.
I'll get some new popcorn.
Same line that Damon took through that corner. The Stigs is different.
Tomorrow.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
at work.
He doesn't do that.
And I'll review. I'll make 2 new popcorns this week. Try and catch up a little bit.
Why isn't it understeering?
Right now I'm only on my phone lunch. And I took a break.
Okay, into the hammerhead. This is what normally gets everyone caught out. Oh, you hit the cameraman!
That's why YouTube's not. YouTube's probably most likely not going to be my full job.
You're not really giving this your full attention, are you?
Well, we are. This is really
It's very buttery, and it tastes more Wow, it tastes better. I know we're good.
So where do you think you've come?
Well, definitely below Damon.
You reckon?
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
You want to know how much below?
Yeah.
1 minute, 47.
Yeah.
No, seriously.
God, he's slow, wasn't he?
I was going to mock you. We always reckon that the ref, which I will admit does slow you down a bit, is about 4 seconds. So it'll be a 1:43.
I don't think so. I think with that cow, it's worth a bit, but not 4 seconds. Hopefully I'll give Damon a nudge from there, but after that...
You arguing with me then? It's 4 seconds.
4 seconds, okay.
4 seconds, and I'm giving you a 1:43 on that basis,
Okay.
which, well, I think that's a pretty impressive time. And the great thing is, of course, you know what time
Come on.
it's on? Bridgestone is so very
Definitely
impressive.
good.
Think of the data you can now take back to your Michelin. I think you've been a great sport, and I'd like to present you, if I
Alright,
may.
I'm gonna get to the middle of this thing.
Look, you can wear that. Okay?
See if it gets better.
In the paddock.
Maybe it won't. Maybe there's not as much flavor, but you know, well, probably get to about the middle of this thing and see if it changes.
You don't actually get a propeller, or you can put
That tastes around better. More flavor.
The drive is just coming from the wheels turning.
Well, that's like just with every popcorn ever. And I don't know why. But it's probably because of butter and like all that stuff in there. But it's not bad. Tastes, tastes more like movie theater-esque popcorn, I guess. And that's not labeled movie theater package. Kind of crazy.
These workhorses are all very well, but it took the young men of the world
I'm just filling this
seconds
shit
to
everywhere.
think, great. But what if we fitted stuff like this
Where?
with really engines?
Yeah, that's good.
The result is that
Very good.
it's a huge choice of machinery designed specifically to put a smile on your face.
I'll make a little more of it,
Ton of mud up each nostril.
and then I'll come up with my final review
Is simple.
of this Krogers
Like the most.
Microwave popcorn. Okay, so I'll eat most of it, not all of it, but most of it to know. But my final rating of the Kroger Microwave popcorn probably gonna be.
No, in fact, I was looking at something far more sensible. It's the Q-Pop, built by the unique motor company, Chairman Noel Edmonds.
7.
And he's very famous because he used to present...
1-2. It's gonna be my final rating, mates. But yeah, 7.2. Highest so far I've reviewed. I don't want to put this too high, because I'm sure there'll be something better, or maybe something worse. Hopefully this isn't the best
You know why James
that I have.
even more
I'm kind of sad,
than usual, don't you?
but
He's had an operation.
Is he? Where?
yeah, 7.2 for Kroger Microwave popcorn. Pretty good.
It's why,
Pretty good.
It's why he hasn't been with us.
On a
So,
yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow and buy some more popcorn reviewed next week, so you'll be at least expecting one review, if not 2. And then maybe a new topic that I might start that I've thought of in my head ever since I've been gone. So yeah, this is my review, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.